Well, firefighters rush to save students when an earthquake strikes a local school for the deaf. But it's only a drill, part of the Great Shakeout. As Gil Reyes reports, the hope is practice makes perfect.
These kids practice a drill that could save lives during a major quake. The catchphrase, drop, cover, and hold, reminds them to drop to the ground, take cover under a desk, and hold on till the shaking stops.
The practicing part of it, it might seem silly because we haven't had a major earthquake in so long, but if you don't practice, your instincts will take over when we do have an earthquake, and the instinct is to run, and that's the worst thing you can do. People are injured or killed running into or out of buildings.
Over here.
The group MySafe LA teams up with the LA City Fire Department for this earthquake drill at Marlton School for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing. Adding to the challenge of rescuing kids with special needs, first responders worked under what's called a degraded mode, or limited resources. A skeleton crew is forced to respond quickly to problems throughout the entire campus.
Hey, can you hear me?
Some rooms there was a fire, some rooms kids are trapped. So an overall thing was just what would happen if there was a large earthquake.
It's all part of the Great Shakeout. Millions practicing similar drills in classrooms worldwide. Here at Marlton, students get to put on horror makeup and play it up for the cameras. Firefighters escort the injured to the school's field where one child is lost.
Red, if someone's missing, get in the line for me, get in the line.
Better that mistakes happen now than during an actual emergency.
Are there lessons learned? Absolutely. Things we could do better next time? Absolutely. But overall, your Los Angeles Fire Department is completely prepared to handle even the most significant earthquake in the city.
In the Crenshaw district, Gil Reyes for LA This Week.
Similar shakeouts took place in several U.S. states this year, also in Canada, Italy, and Japan.